7th Standard Science, Term 1, Unit 6, Health and Hygiene, Book Back Exercise. Roman number 1, choose the appropriate answer. First one, Ravi has sound mind and physically fit body. It refers to dash. The correct answer is option B, health. Ravi has sound mind and physically fit body. It refers to health. Second one, sleep is not only good for our body, but it is also good for dash. The correct answer is option C, mind. Sleep is not only good for our body, but it is also good for mind. Third question, our living place should be dash. The correct answer is C option, clean. Our living place should be clean. Fourth one, tobacco chewing causes dash. The correct answer is option B, periodontitis. Tobacco chewing causes periodontitis. Fifth question, the first aid is to dash. The correct answer is D option, relieve the pain. The first aid is to relieve the pain. Second Roman number, filling the blanks. First one, a group of people living together in a particular area is called dash. The answer is community. A group of people living together in a particular area is called community. Second one, I am green color box with garbage. I am dash. The answer is biodegradable dustbin. I am green color box with garbage. I am biodegradable dustbin. Third one, eyes are considered as dash to the world. The answer is windows. Eyes are considered as windows to the world. Fourth one, the hair follicles produce dash which keeps the hair smooth. The answer is oil. The hair follicles produce oil which keeps the hair smooth. Fifth one, tuberculosis is caused by the bacterium dash. The answer is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Roman number 3, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, all food should be covered. It is true. Second one, chicken pox is also known as leukoderma. It is false. The correct statement is chicken pox is also known as varicella. Third question, stomach ulcer is a non-communicable disease. It is true. Fourth one, rabies is a fatal disease. It is true. Fifth one, first degree burns damage the whole skin. It is false. The correct statement is first degree burn affects the outer layer of the skin. Next, Roman number 4, match the following. First one, rabies. The correct answer is hydrophobia. ஹைட்ரோஃபோபியாவில் 1 மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. செகண்ட் ஒன், காலரா. த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் கிராம்ப்ஸ் இன் லெக்ஸ். அதில் 2 மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேர்ட் ஒன், டியூபர்குலோசிஸ். த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் மைக்கோபாக்டீரியம். அதில் 3 மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஃபோர்த் ஒன், ஹெப்படைட்டிஸ். த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் எல்லோ யூரின். அதில் 4 மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. லாஸ்ட் ஒன், நம்பர் 5, டைஃபாய்டு. The correct answer is salmonella. அதில் 5ன்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். I'll repeat the answer. First one, rabies, hydrophobia. Second one, cholera, cramps in legs. Third one, tuberculosis. The answer is mycobacterium. Fourth one, hepatitis. The answer is yellow urine. Fifth one, typhoid. Answer is salmonella. Roman number 5, analogy. First one, first degree burn, epidermis. Second degree burn, dash. The answer is dermis. First degree burn, epidermis. Second degree burn, dermis. Second question, typhoid bacteria, hepatitis dash. Typhoid bacteria, hepatitis virus. Third question, tuberculosis air, cholera dash. The answer is water. Tuberculosis air, cholera water. Roman number 6, consider the following statements and choose the correct option. First one, assertion, oral hygiene is good. Reason, sound teeth has healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. Here, assertion and reason both are correct. So we have to select A option. Both A and are true. A la tick பண்ணிக்கலாம். Second one, assertion, chickenpox is a viral communicable disease. Reason, it is characterized by rashes on the whole body, fever, headache and tiredness. Here, both assertion and reason are correct. So we can tick the first option A. Both assertion and reason are true. அதில் டிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.